Hey, what's going on? This is kind of another update on this 1964 Dodge Custom 880. It's very cool outside today. It's like maybe 75, maybe 74. And why not let's let you hear the music of this 4-barrel when it's like on the open road. I believe there's probably going to be some bogging that you're probably going to hear. I'm still trying to tune that out. I probably have to apply more tension on the ABS door, and I think that bogging should go away, but I'm still trying to tune that out. I'm gonna go and drive to my little favorite place where I usually like to romp on this motor when it's kind of people's out of the way, not much people out there, kind of in the sticks, that sort of thing. Well, I'm at my usual place where I usually like to romp on it because it's a little bit away from the main streets and such. It's a little bit of a nighttime footage, but honestly, I don't think it needs to be bright for you to hear how awesome the motor sounds. Backroads is a real great place to romp on this motor. I guess some people may say beat on it, but I'm doing at least I'm not technically asking the transmission to do something that's impossible. Technically, beat on it from the manual first and second transmission controls. Now that is beating on it in my eyes. Unfortunately, there's people in front of me, so the wide open throttle romp is going to be a little bit awkward. aside from that, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, subscribe, and see you later.